If you're thinking about buying SalesRabbit, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's the right software for you and how it stacks up against other tools in the market. First off, SalesRabbit is a software designed to streamline the sales process, especially for field sales teams. If you've been using traditional methods like spreadsheets or relying on manual tracking, this is a major upgrade. But it's not the only software out there. It competes with options like Salesforce or Zoho CRM, but SalesRabbit focuses specifically on mobile-first solutions for field sales, which can be a game changer for teams working in the field. Next thing to know, SalesRabbit offers robust route planning and territory management features. If you're in direct sales and need to optimize your team's travel, this is a feature you won't want to miss. It allows your team to plan the most efficient routes based on location, so they can spend less time on the road and more time selling. This kind of targeted planning is something tools like Salesforce lack, making SalesRabbit stand out for field sales. The third thing to understand is the data tracking and reporting capabilities. This isn't just a simple CRM. SalesRabbit provides real-time reporting on sales activity, performance, and progress towards goals. This can be crucial when you're looking to improve your team's performance over time. You'll get data on visits, interactions, and outcomes, which isn't always available in other software unless you integrate additional tools. Next thing to keep in mind, SalesRabbit's mobile app is a standout feature. It's not just a CRM tool on a phone, but it's designed for field sales reps. The app allows them to manage leads, log activities, track sales, and even access customer data while they're on the go. It's user-friendly and built for people who spend a lot of time in the field, which makes it a great alternative to more complex office-based solutions that aren't as convenient for mobile use. The fifth thing you should know is about its lead management features. SalesRabbit helps you manage your leads in a way that's more hands-on and efficient compared to many traditional CRMs. With SalesRabbit, you can create, track, and manage your leads directly in the system, including detailed notes about each lead and how you've interacted with them. This is perfect for teams that need to stay organized, especially when managing large territories. The sixth thing, SalesRabbit offers seamless integrations with popular tools like Zapier, Google Sheets, and Salesforce. This is an essential feature for any business that relies on various tools. You don't have to worry about data silos or manual entry because SalesRabbit can sync with your existing systems, saving time and reducing the chance of error. This is where SalesRabbit might have a leg up on competitors who have limited integrations, making it a better choice for businesses with complex workflows. Finally, pricing. While SalesRabbit is feature-packed, it's important to know that it doesn't come cheap. You're paying for quality, but it can be pricier compared to some other CRM tools. If you're a smaller team or a business just starting, the price may be a factor to consider. However, if you're part of a growing sales team that needs advanced features and mobile functionality, it might be worth the investment. And if you want to try SalesRabbit out for yourself, you can get a completely free trial from the first link below. This is your chance to explore all these features and see how it compares to other sales tools out there before committing. Don't forget to check out the exclusive benefits that come with signing up through that link. So, if you're serious about optimizing your field sales process, go ahead and give SalesRabbit a try. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and start streamlining your sales process today.